Good morning, my dear students. My name is Baba Bole. I am working as an English teacher, Sri in the School of Florida, Sri Marusideshwara High School, Anand. Dear students, today we are going to start a new poem that is The Blind Boy. This poem, The Blind Boy, is very important for the sake of examination purpose. This poem is memorization poem for the sake of examination. It got 4 marks. So before that, we are going to start this poem. It is better to know about the poet, the Holy Sailor. This poem, The Blind Boy, was written by the poet Holy Sailor. Holy Sailor, he was a well-known poet in English literature. He was also an actor. He wrote so many plays. It means he wrote so many plays. He wrote 25 plays. He also got a good name in English literature. Dear students, this poem is very important for the sake of examination purpose. It got 4 marks in the examination. So that we are going to memorize this poem. It is very easy to memorize, and also it is very easy to get 4 marks in the examination. So that you know that blind boy poem, it belongs to only the blind people or the blind boy. Dear students, I think you saw that the blind people, how they were suffering in this world without having eyes. So in our organs, human body, all the organs are very important. So important organs of our body is the eyes, the ears, the nose, the hands, the legs and skin, the mouth or the tongue, like this. These are all the very essential parts in our body. Among these parts, the eye is very important, and with the help of this eye, the organ, we are going to look the beautiful world, the nature of this world, the beauty of this world also. It is the eyes is helpful to us to look all this beautiful world. So here in this poem, the poet Holy Sailor, he want to explain, he want to describe about the blind boy. How that blind boy, he feels this world without having eyes. How he know the blind boy the day and night? How he know that the sun and moon, the day and night? And how he want to feel about his blindness? How he know the futures of the day and night, the sun and also night, moon? having the eyes, he want to feel that I am the king of this world, black world or dark world. The blind boy himself, he want to feel that he was the king of this dark world. He know everything, what happened in this dark. In this dark, or even he became a blind boy, he want to enjoy the things when he want to know that the things are going happening in this dark world. So here, like this, the blind boy, he want to feel how he was a blind boy and how he was going to feel about his dark world and how he want to say that he was the king of the dark world. So today, we are going to know about this poem, The Blind Boy. How this blind boy want to feel about his blindness, how he want to feel himself, what are the problems he want to face in this time. Let us, before we are going to recite this poem, now it is very important to recite this poem. All of the students, you look in front of this text or this poem. Now I am going to recite this poem. Oh, say, what is that thing called light, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. You talk of wondrous things you see. You say the sun shines bright. I feel in war, but how can he or make it day or night? My day or night, myself I make whenever I sleep or play. And could I ever keep away with me face a face day? Oh, say, what is that thing called light, which I must ever enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. You talk of wonders, things you see. You say the sun shines bright. I feel in war, but how can he or make it day or night? My day or night, myself I make whenever I sleep or play. And could I ever keep away with me fair always day? With heavy sighs I often hear, you mourn my hapless woe. But sure with patience I can bear, I ask a loss of never can how. Then let not what I cannot have, my tree of mine destroy. While thus I sing, I am a king, although a poor blind boy, although a poor blind boy. Oh, say, what is that thing called life, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. You talk of wonders, things you see. You say the sun shines bright. I feel in awe, but how can he or make it day or night? Oh, say, what is that thing called life, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings midday or night, myself I make, whenever I sleep or play. And could I ever keep away, with me twice always stay? With heavy sighs I often hear, you mourn my hapless woe, but you with patience I can bear, a loss I never can know. Oh, say what is that thing called light, when I meet, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Then let not what I cannot have, my cheer of minds destroy. While thus I sing, I am a king, although a poor blind boy, although a poor blind boy. Oh, say what is that thing called life, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Dear students, like this, we are going to recite this poem. And also we are going to practice writing this poem for the sake of examination, and also we are going to memorize this poem. You know that in this poem, the poet Kali Saibat, he wants to explain the feelings of that blind boy. Each stanza, it gives his feelings, the blind boy, how he want to feel about his day and night also. How he was going to enjoy, how he was going to identify that whether it is a day or night. How he was going to recognize that it is a sunlight or moonlight. And also finally he says that he was a king of his dark world. Let us know how this poem we want to explain like this. Oh, say what is that thing called light, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, deliver poor blind boy. Oh, say what is that thing called light? That light, how can I see that? How that the brightness of that light? The blind boy, in the first stanza, he want to explain like this. He want to explain his feelings like this. Oh, say, what is that thing called light? How can I see that light, the brightness of the light? Want to say about that sunlight, brightness of the sunlight. Oh, say, what is that thing called light? How can I identify that brightness of that light, which I must never enjoy? I cannot enjoy that the brightness of that light. How can I say that? How can the poet, the Kali Saibat, describe about this blind boy's feelings, which I must never enjoy? I never enjoy this happiness or brightness of this light. What are the blessings of the sight? Even though he can't see the brightness of that light, he says like that, what are the blessings of the sight? How that God bless about this sight? How can I enjoy it? I can't enjoy this the light of the brightness of the light. He says like this, what are the blessings of the sight? You know here the word blessings. Blessings means favor or happiness. How I can enjoy the happiness, the brightness of the sight or light. How can I feel it without having I am eyes or I am blind? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Oh, tell your poor blind boy. The poet says about that blind boy, he was a poor blind boy. He was also a poor. Being a poor, he was a blind boy. He cannot enjoy the blessings or the beauty or happiness of the sight or light, brightness of the light. You talk of wonders, think you see. You talk of wonders, think you see. Just he talk about the wonders of the world, but he can't see it. But just he want to talk, the people, those who talk about the wonders of the world, but he can't see. You talk of wonders, think you see. Really, you know the world, wonders of this world. But the blind people, the blind boy, he can't see that the wonders of the world. It's highly impossible. Just we want to talk about the wonders of the world. You talk of wonders, think you see. You say the sun shines bright. Just you say that. The sun shines bright. The brightness of the sun is very beautiful. Just you imagine that. The blind boy feels like this. Just you say the sun shines bright. I feel him warm, but how can he? I feel him warm. Just I feel. But how can I see that? How can I see that? Or make it day or night? How can I feel that? The brightness, light of the sun or moon, how they make it day or night. How that beauty of the day or how do you feel that what is the beauty of the night? He says like this, I feel him warm, but how can he or make it day or night? I cannot feel, I cannot see whether it is a day or night. Just we feel like it. May day or night, myself I may. Yes. The blind boy himself, he made that the myself I make, my day or night himself. He recognized, he knows the symptoms, he knows the features of that day or night, whether it is day or night. My day or night, myself I make, whether it is day or night, myself I make confirm. Whenever I sleep or play, whenever I sleep or play, that blind boy himself, he feels like that. When he goes to sleep, that is the night. When he wants to play, that is the day. Himself, he decides that whether it is day or night. So when the blind boy wants to play, go to play, that is the time of day. When he wants to go to sleep, that he knows that it is at night. Himself, he wants to feel like that himself that it is day or night. I feel him warm, but how can he or make it day or night? May day or night, myself I make, whenever I sleep or play. And could I ever keep away? And could I ever keep away? So when I want to get up from the sleep or night, it is day. With me fair always stay. With me fair always stay. We will say day. With heavy sighs I often hear. With heavy sighs I often hear. Sighs, sadness. Sighs means here this word that is sounds are indicating sadness. Sighs means sadness. The sounds which indicates sadness here. With heavy sighs I often hear, you mourn my hapless woe. Hapless means mourn. Mourn means sorrow or sad. Mourn means show sorrow or regret. Mourn. It mourns you mourn my hapless woe. Hapless means unlucky. You should be mourn or show sorrow or regret about my unlucky. You show the regret or sorrow about my hapless means unlucky. But you with patience I can bear. But it should. But it should I tolerate all these sadness, sorrow, regret. Then let I but choose with patience I can bear. A loss I never can know. Then let not what cannot have my cheer of mind destroy. He don't bother about what he did not have, but my cheer of mind. Cheer means gladness, happiness. Cheer. My gladness, my cheer of mind destroy. Destroy. It means it will destroy my gladness or cheerless or happiness. That's why while thus I sing, I am a king. Yes, he was a king. Even though he is a blind boy, he was a king of his dark world. He wanted to sing. In the night hour, he was a king for his darkness. While thus I sing, I am a king, although he was a blind boy. Even though he was a poor boy, he was a blind boy, and also was a poor blind boy. So even though he was a poor blind boy or poor boy, he was a king of that dark night. See that poet, Polycyber, how he want to describe about the feelings of that blind boy. Really, it is very important thing that you are going to think about that how the blind people, how the blind boy, how he want to feel about himself about the darkness or dark time. So that you know that people that how you were the blind peoples how they were going to know about their feelings. Next we are going to know that read about this poem again once more. I want to recite this poem. Oh, say what is that thing called light which I must never ignore? You talk of wonders, think you see. You say the sun shines bright. I feel him warm, but how can he or make it day or night? By day or night, myself I make whenever I sleep or wake. And will I ever keep away with me fade away stay? With heavy sighs I often hear you are my hapless woe, but you with patience I can bear. In loss I never can know. Then let not what I cannot have my cheer of mind destroy. Oh, say what is that thing called light, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Then let not what I cannot have my cheer of mind destroy. When thus I sing, I am a king, although a poor blind boy, although a poor blind boy. Yes, dear students, in this poem, the poet Collis Cyber, he want to explain, he want to describe about the feelings of the blind. How that blind boy, and also he was a poor blind boy, how he was going to know about his feelings, whether it is day or night, and how can he want to identify whether it is day or night. How he know that the very beauty of the day and night. So that even he is having that blindness, you want to enjoy that his brightness of the light, or brightness of the sun, or a beautiful light of the moon or night. So like this, the people who was having a light, that people they are to believe that behave, or they want to behave like this. The blind boy, he knows about that when he want to go to play, that is the day. When he want to sleep, that is the night. So he did not know about the brightness and lightness or shining of that sun or moon. Like this, he want to sleep and he want to awake when he signs, and also he know the feelings of his sadness or happiness or mourn. The people those who are mourn or about his happiness. Really, we have to show the mercy or courtesy about the mourn about this the blind people or the blind man. So in this poem, the poet want to explain all those things how the blind people. You know, in the market yard or in the public field or in the street, how the people they want help from others to cross the road. When they want to cross the road, they want some help from others. Some people, they were showing the mercy or courtesy about the people. They want to want to across that. The people help them to across the road, crossing the road. Anyhow, in this world, so many blind people, they don't blind boys also. We have to be students. You are also making a help for the blind people or blind persons. So like this, the poet, you want to explain all those things in this poem the blind boy. Here in this poem, you know that so many new words are introducing. So many new words are introducing here. Blessings. So in this poem, you know the word that blessings. Blessings means favor or happiness. Second, sighs. Sighs means sounds indicating sadness. Sighs means sounds indicating sadness. And also you know the word mourn. Show sorry or show sorrow, not sorry, sorrow or regret. Always you can show the mercy or sorrow regarding these peoples. And also the hapless. Hapless means the unlucky. Hapless means unlucky. You know that the people those who are having did not having eyes or sight, really they were hapless or unlucky people. And also there is another word is here, cheer. Cheer means gladness. It means happiness. Gladness means happiness. How that people they were very glad when they are very glad. Like this, there are so many new words are introducing in this poem. Let us know some homework questions are here. You know that who is the speaker of this poem? Who is the speaker in this poem? Second question also here, whose voice is it in the poem? And also, how does the blind person understand whether it is day or night? Yes, how the blind persons, the blind boy, he want to understand whether it is day or night. So like that, so many questions are appearing in this poem, and also totally there are 4 marks question also appearing in the examination. That is, summarize write the summary of this poem, The Blind Boy. Maybe there is a chance for asking the summary also, or the meanings also, and also so many 1 mark questions and also 2 mark questions, and also there is very important for the sake of examination, you should memorize this poem. It is for the sake of 4 marks. 4 marks. Yes. So you know this poem, and also there are so many questions on here. I am asking simple question regarding this poem. Yes. Answer everybody. Who is the poet of this poem, or who is the writer of this poem? Tell me, anybody? Yes, the Kali Saibar is the poet of this poem. Kali Saibar is the poet of this poem. Yes. Another one question. How that blind boy understand whether it is day or night? How that blind boy understand that whether it is day or night? Yes? Anybody? Answer this question. Yes. The blind boy understand that when he wants to go to play, that is the night, day. And when that poor blind boy, he want to go to sleep, he know that, understand that it is the night. So many simple questions also here. So dear students, this is the summary of this poem. This is the feelings of the poet, the blind boy. So here we have to show the mercy or courtesy regarding the blind peoples or the blind persons. And also you are going to memorize this poem. It is very important regarding this examination purpose. So let us, we are going to stop here in this period. Let's continue in this next period. Thank you very much.